All right.
Frank rejoining us right now. Anything happening in weather these days?
You've been busy, right?
Yeah, between the heat and the tropics, it's going to continue to be toasty for us. And then we're watching this closely, so let's go over some of the model runs. And here's a look first at one of these Clig 2 pins.
Ooh, 107.
I know. Yesterday I said, this is hot, 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 and they're saying, no, this is hot, hot, hot.
Yeah.
It is. It's steaming out there. Highs today, 96 officially, 97 at Hobby, 92 in Galveston. Normal is 93, so well above that. It's still 97. Here's our triangle energy camera right down there at Discovery Green. 97 east-northeast winds at 5 miles per hour. So lots of mid and even upper 90s, 98 right now in Columbus, but the feels like numbers easily in triple digits, and that's what we're seeing even as we speak. It's going to be a hot evening, and even overnight, 78, 80, but it'll be a steamy, humid morning, just like it has been. So let's talk about making this connection. We have these two high pressure systems. A low pressure system, like what I think is going to become Barry tomorrow, always looks for the path of least resistance. It's like a stream looking for the path through the rocks, that path of least resistance. And it's the same idea. So this would be it. This front is going to weaken the atmosphere enough, and that creates a little hole or an opening for that system to go through. So the idea is that Thursday into Friday, that weakness is there. So when does Barry start to sense that and get tugged north by that? That's why the models are still throughout the whole state of Louisiana. Does it happen Friday and it moves toward New Orleans by then, or is it more Saturday or even late Saturday, more toward Lake Charles and even Beaumont? So right now, Saturday, the American model says the Vermilion Bay comes on in and continues, but really knowing when that weakness is going to open up is hard to say. So that's why we're seeing these models all over the place. Saying that, here's the cone, there's the data, and you can see there it is anywhere from around New Orleans right on over all the way to Galveston Bay, because it's just when do we see it making that turn. We're looking for this westerly motion and then a bit of a northwest motion and then much more of a north motion as it finally gets that and moves on to the north. Now, sometimes they make the connection, sometimes they don't. So that's why I say don't let your guard down. Looking for an 85-mile-an-hour hurricane, a Cat 1, as it moves into Louisiana. This is the RPM Futurecast I show you all the time. And I'm going to put this in motion, and you'll see this forms a pretty nice eye, and it's well to the south, right down here, south of Louisiana. And then this is Friday at 1:30 as we go towards Saturday, and this is as far out as this goes, is Saturday at 10 a.m. You'll notice this eye isn't back out here at Vermilion Bay. This eye is much closer to the Beaumont area and even headed toward maybe High Island. So I think we have to watch this because this is a pretty good model. And until we really get a better sense of where this is going to go, I think it's worth paying attention to. This is the American, which there's Vermilion Bay, here's New Orleans, takes it sort of right in between off into Mississippi. And with that said, brings all this very heavy rain right into the eastern part of Louisiana. We're talking 12, 16, maybe 20 inches of rain in some spots. The European, that's more off toward the Lake Charles area, and you can see there is the high right there on Saturday at 9 o'clock. So a little later then, and continues to move off towards Shreveport. So there's still a lot of solutions, which means there's still a lot of questions about where this is actually going to end up. There's the European rainfall, and you can see the same kind of rainfall between Lake Charles and off toward Baton Rouge. So very heavy rain over Louisiana, regardless of where that goes. So what can you do now? Clear drains and gutters and sewers. Just make sure if we do happen to get some heavy rain, and right now we're not expecting it, but if we do, you just want to make sure everything can drain pretty well. Power outages, it doesn't take that much. If we get some 40-mile-an-hour tropical storm force winds, that's going to cause problems. So make sure you have backup batteries. Always smart to fill up on water and gas and have a little bit of cash just in case you really need it. Download our hurricane app. That's always a good idea. So here's your power planner as we go into this evening. 90 degrees at 8 o'clock. Finally, the sun goes down. We're in the 80s, and we get down to only about 78, 80 for an overnight low. High of 96 tomorrow. 30% chances of rain through Saturday. Maybe goes up a little bit late Saturday into Sunday. I'll tell you, if this hits Louisiana, the farther away from us, the less rain we're going to see. Bottom line, the dirtier that side of it, the cleaner our side of it. So as we go into next week, it just stays hot. The July fry will be back with us. So it's going to be interesting to see how this all resolves itself. But at least now we're flying it. It's over water. We're getting more and better data as we go on. We got the 4 o'clock update. We'll get an intermediate around 7, and we'll let you know what that is. And then we'll get a full update at 10.
All right, terrific.
All right.
Thank you, Frank.